A model, your girlfriend she swallow. I'm loading these hollows. She like taking footballs. Call that bitch Hey Arnold. And I'm with a white bitch. She just like to try shit. Oh nigga keep calling me. I keep on.
What's your poppin'? It's your girl, She's So Bonita, and I am back with another video. So today, ladies, I am going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to do a sleek bun. So this hairstyle is really simple and really cute. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. What you want to start by doing is brushing out all the lice in your hair. Like literally brush out all the roaches that have been crawled in overnight. Then you want to grab some moisturizer. I use Blue Magic. Blue Magic is amazing. Shout out to y'all, Blue Magic. And I just put that all around my hair, all around my edges, because I don't want them to be crisp like burnt bacon. So yeah, then I get my little Eco Styler gel. You see that? Ooh, yes. Trying to open. Ooh, boom. Look inside. Beautiful. So yes, you want to take a little bit of your gel of your choice and put it on the back of your kitchen. When I say put it on the back of your kitchen, I mean slap it down and rub it. Flip it, toss it, everything. You want to put all that gel everywhere you can get it to. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to wear your hair down that much. But you want enough to where you know your bun or your pony or whatever is going to stay intact. Okay? So here I am just brushing my kitchen and brushing the front of my hair and then doing my edges the best way that I can because my edges like to stay out a lot. So yeah, don't mind the white residue. That's just from the mixture of the Blue Magic and the green olive oil Eco Styler gel. So now I'm just checking, making sure everything is in place because you want to make sure everything is in place. Everything is going to be right. Then you take your scrunchie of your choice. It doesn't matter what kind of scrunchie, honestly, as long as it fits your hair perfectly. Don't use a rubber band. A rubber band is just going to pop later and that little fake bun is going to slide the fuck off. So you just want to tie that scrunchie around your hair, make it into a like little high top ponytail, you know. And then I'm going to take some more Blue Magic and moisturize my ends. Ladies, make sure you always moisturize your ends because that's the key to having nice ends. Then you're going to wrap that twist around into a little bun around the scrunchie. I was looking for another scrunchie. And you're going to take that scrunchie, the second scrunchie. I had to redo this a lot, but need to take that second scrunchie. And what you want to do after you wrap the twist around into a small bun, try to get it as small as you can. You take that second scrunchie and put it over that so that the twist does not come undone at all and it is intact. So you should have like a little donutty bun, a little twisty bun. I'm going to take some gel to fix up the little pieces that I did not gel too well. So yeah, here I am. I look like a turtle. This is how your mini bun should look. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. This is how your bun should look. And some of my hairs is sticking out, but that's okay because my hair is very creepy crawly. But that's how your little bun should look. Then get the weave of your choice. I chose curly. What you want to do, I zoomed in so y'all can see, is wrap that track around the scrunchie as tight as you can. Because if you do not wrap your track around the scrunchie as tight as you can, one, your track gonna fall off. And everybody gonna see that, sis. We don't want everybody to see this. We want people to think this is our real hair even though it's weave. And you just gonna keep wrapping it and keep wrapping it. You want to also wrap around the scrunchie so the scrunchie does not show at all because it's embarrassing for people to see a scrunchie and it's embarrassing for people to see your track. Really. I don't see how girls can walk around and have their track showing. Like, that is not classy, sis. We are classy, never trashy. So after that's done, you want to fluff out the hair to get it really big and high volumed. I just keep fluffing and fluffing. And then you're going to try to style the weave. You're going to wrap it around, like you would do a normal bun. But you want to just style it the best way that you can and how you like it. And this is how I like it. And you just keep wrapping it around. I kind of stretch out my hair so it can be a little bit bigger. I like the curls to be all over and messy because I like to have a neat but messy look to it. And it looks good to me. It looks very beautiful. What do y'all think? now it's time to do these edges because they gone, period. So now I get my Eco Styler gel and a nice toothbrush to brush back my baby hairs. You kind of form your baby hairs with your finger. You take your fingers to style your baby hair. That is all in the technique. Some people like to just, gel it down and brush it with the toothbrush and go about their day. But me, I kind of like styling my baby hairs the best way that I can. Don't mind the brown residue in my hair. It's my makeup. One thing I hate is doing my makeup and then trying to slay my edges because my makeup gets into my hair. But yeah, you just want to design your baby hairs to your liking, and this is how I like my baby hairs. My widow's peak, as y'all can see, I don't know if y'all saw it, but I have to lay that as baby hair because it looks so funny with my widow's peak just right there. And a lot of you guys may know it as an Eddie Monster. My grandma called it an Eddie Monster. My mom calls it an Eddie Monster, but the white people that have been around say it's a widow's peak, so I'm gonna go with the white people. It's a widow's peak. So yeah, and I'm just slaying my edges. I will be doing an edge tutorial sometime soon and more makeup videos. But yeah, I really don't like to put too much gel on my edges though, because I don't want it to be so crunched down and crisp. But yeah, this is the final look, honestly. And I just think I kept fixing my edges because I wasn't liking them or they weren't laying down. But I think it was only my left side that I'm doing right now. Honestly, that side gives me hell when doing my edges, and I don't know why. Like, my right side is perfectly fine, but my left gives me a hard time, like, for real. So this is how your bun should come out. Don't mind the curls, like I said, of my hair sticking out. I can't really help it because my hair is creepy crawly. But this is the finished look. Now you snatched and ready to attack. Looking like a buffet, never prison food, bitch. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment some videos y'all want to see next or other tutorials. Thank you. Bye.